Hi, welcome to SAS Programming, Lesson 1, Getting Started with SAS Programming. Introduction. In this lesson, you will get an overview of how to access your data, manage your data, present your data, and analyze your data. What is SAS? SAS is a business solutions software to help solve business problems. Base SAS is the centerpiece to all SAS software. It's designed as a flexible software for data access, analyzing, and reporting. Exploring SAS programming process. These are several steps that we have to go through in order to create a SAS program. First, we have define the business need. In order to define the business need, we need to consult with the business team and business analysts. Also, we can also define the business need by reviewing some documents. Then we need to write a SAS program based off of those business needs, run the program, review the results, and if there are errors, we need to debug and modify our code. Again, go through the process again of writing the SAS program, running the program, and reviewing the results. Here are types of files used in SAS. The first is a raw data file. It's files that contains non-specific software or non-software specific data. It's also text files, that's one record per line. The next is a SAS dataset, and created and read only by SAS. It's a file that contains data specific to SAS. Last is a SAS program. It's a SAS programming code that tells how to process your data and what to create. The first example here is raw data files. Here's an example of non-specific data text files. And it contains multiple fields and unformatted text. Now these fields are separated by commas, which are numbers, and then you have first name, last name, middle initial, etc. So these are files contains non-software specific data. Next is the SAS dataset. It's created by SAS and read only by SAS. Here's an example here of a SAS dataset. The columns here are the fields, first name, last name, and salary. And those objects are under the column of first name, last name, and salary are called observations. And lastly is a SAS program, which is a file that contains SAS programming code. These are instructions that tell SAS how to process your data and what output to create. So this is an example of the SAS programming code. And this concludes the first lesson of SAS programming.